Meaning of emotive.
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 Emotive. The term emotive refers to something that is able to elicit strong emotions or feelings within an individual. It can be used to describe a wide range of things like language, art, music, and even actions that stir up a particular emotional response. The emotive power of something can be positive or negative, as it depends on the context and the individual's personal experiences and beliefs. Overall, when something is described as emotive, it is suggesting that it has the ability to provoke a significant emotional reaction in those who encounter it.